How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good, beta. See, beta, in our earlier lectures, we have discussed exercise 5.1, 5.2, AP, what is AP, and general term of arithmetic progression. Okay. Now, see, beta, in the exercise 5.3, what we will learn? We will learn the sum of first n terms of an AP. First of all, we will learn the formula for the sum of n terms of an AP. See, beta, let me give you an example. Suppose you are given an AP 2, 4, 6, and you have to find the sum of two terms. You will say 2 plus 4, 6. Sum of three terms, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12. Suppose this 8 is given. Sum of four terms, 2 plus 6, 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. You will say, sir, 20. But suppose it is asked its sum up to 100 terms. Now it is asked, what is the sum of this AP? What is the sum of the terms of this AP up to 100 terms? Then it will be very difficult, beta. First you will write up 200 terms and then you will take sum. It will be very, very, very complex. Now, is there any relation we can have that can help us to find the sum of first n terms of an AP? Are you getting my point? See, beta, note my words. I am saying sum of first n terms of the AP. See, beta, first n terms means every time the sum of the terms will start from the first term. If I say S10, it means sum of first 10 terms. Are you getting my point? S20, sum of 20 terms. S100, sum of first 100 terms, first 20, first 10. S30, sum of first 30 terms. Sn, sum of first n terms. Okay, beta? It doesn't mean you are given an AP and from here to 100 term you want to find, but it will be very difficult without finding the first term. Okay, this is the sum of first n terms of an AP. Okay, now say don't worry, beta. What we are going to solve now we are going to derive the formula. Everyone be very careful. Simple and easy, beta, but your attention is always expected. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to understand the concept. See, what is the question? We are deriving the sum of first n terms of the AP. First of all, we should assume the AP. See, very, very, very calmly, just see what I am doing. After 5 minutes, I will ask you, do you understand? Definitely, the inner self of yours will speak, will shout, yes, sir. Okay, just till then, just watch what is going on and try to catch my words. Okay, sometimes whatever I am writing here, and with the writing I am speaking also, sometimes might be here minus or plus, little bit is changed. Students, only take that screenshot and send to me in the group and say, you have done wrong here. But students, by mistake, this is a human error. By mistake, it is so, but you can note that what is my one of my words. You can listen to me verbally also now. What I am speaking, you can understand that also. Because might be when you are giving the lecture continuously for 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, the collaboration of words and body parts and your tongue might be little bit unbalanced. In that case, such things happen, beta. So, do not panic about that. Just try to understand the thing. See, suppose AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Suppose this is the last term. This is the L is the last term. Okay, done. Now see what we have to form. This AP has total n terms and nth term is L. Nth term is L. Okay. Sum of n terms. What does it mean? It means A plus D plus A plus 2D plus and so on L. Yes or no? Done beta? Sure? Okay. Now see what I am saying. Suppose this is the last term. What will be the second last term? Second last term means from here the just previous term will be L minus D. Yes or no? See beta, D was added, D was added, D was added, D is added. That's why it became L. Or you can say when you are reversing, you are moving from reverse, D subtracted, D subtracted, D subtracted, D subtracted. It means this is L, the just term before it will be L minus D and the just term before will be L minus 2D. Yes or no? See beta, what I am doing, I am deriving the formula of sum of n terms of an AP. For that, I am using different tactics. Okay, see, from here A plus D, A plus 2D. And from the last L minus D, L minus 2D, this will be the AP, yes or no? I think you all have aware of this concept that D is added from the right and D is subtracted from the left. Okay, from the left and from the right, sorry. Okay, then see. Now see beta, 5 plus 2 is 7. Oh, sorry. And 2 plus 5 is also 7, yes or no? 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 5 is also 7. Yes or no? Now see beta, 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. What does it mean? It means we can reverse this. We can write this into this. We can change the position of the adding elements. Okay. Now I am writing this Sn in second row. I am writing first here, then this plus A plus 2D, A plus D plus A. Yes or no? See beta, from here we kept adding D. From here we are also kept adding D. Yes or no? Okay, done. And from here if we write, change the position, things are same beta. If you see 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Yes or no? I have used this property of integers. Okay, from A to L, then from L to A. Okay, now see. This is equation 1 suppose, and this is equation 2. Now if we add 1 plus 2, now if we are adding both the equations, Sn plus Sn, yes or no? Sn plus Sn. Okay, done. Now see. Keep the respective terms adding. See what happens here. A plus L, yes or no? Done. Here when you will add these, A plus D, L minus D, D will be cancelled. Yes or no? Done. Same way beta. A plus 2D, L minus 2D, D will cancel D. Okay, in the same way move further. If you add these, L plus A or A plus L are same thing. See, L minus 2D, A plus 2D. 2D will cancel. L minus D, A plus D. D will be cancelled. Then L plus A. Okay, done. Now see beta, Sn plus Sn, 2Sn. What is this? A plus L. AL What is L plus A? A plus L. Oh, sorry, I got it. A plus L. A plus L. Okay, beta. Now see here. If we added equation 1 and 2 and added the respective terms, we got A plus L, A plus L, A plus L up to n terms. Yes or no? Now see beta, what I am doing here. I am adding 5 3 times. What does it mean? 3 into 5. Yes or no? I am adding 10 4 times. What does it mean? 4 times 10, that is 40. In the same way, what we are doing here, we are adding A plus L, 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 A plus L n times. Therefore, it can be written as n times A plus L. Yes or no? Done beta? Therefore, A plus L, A plus L, A plus L, we are adding how many times? N times. Therefore, 2Sn is equal to n into A plus L. From here, Sn became n into A plus L by 2. This is the formula of sum of n terms. This is the formula for sum of n terms. And if you want to elaborate it little bit more, this is the second form. See beta, n by 2. Inside is A plus L. You can write like this like also. Okay. N by 2 into A plus L. A is A. But if you see L is nth term, L is nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term is An, last term is An, and nth term can be written as A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, I am writing this L as A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, now see. From here, you will get Sn is equal to n by 2, A plus A, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the answer. This is the answer. Got my point? Oh, sorry, no, this is not answer. This is the proof, beta. We were following. This is the first form. This is the first form. This is the second form. See beta, both are useful. Both are useful according to the question. We do use according to the question both terms, don't vary. Both formulas we will use. First you take the screenshot. Done. Once again I am repeating beta, A plus D, A plus 2D and up to L we considered an AP. L was the nth term, the last term. When we find sum, we have to write first term plus second plus third and up to last. From here D was increasing, from here D was decreasing, L minus D, L minus 2D and so on. We can write Sn like this. Then we change the position, first became last and last became first. Okay, in this way. Sn also can be written as L plus L minus D plus L minus 2D and A plus 2D plus A and so on. Okay. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. When we add two equations, left hand side plus left hand side, Sn plus Sn, 2Sn. Okay. Here see, add the respective terms, A plus L. A plus D, L minus D, D will cancel D. A plus L. 2D will cancel 2D, A plus L. 2D, A plus L, D, A plus L, A plus L. Now see, 2Sn is equal to A plus L, A plus L, A plus L. How many times? N times. From here, 2Sn is equal to N into A plus L. Because A plus L is added N times, it means N into A plus L. Okay. And we shifted 2 towards right, N by 2, 2 came here. Sn became 2 n by 2 into A plus L. This is the first form of the formula, and if you elaborate, put the value of L, last term, nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D, it becomes A plus A 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay? Just a minute beta, I got a call. Now see, sorry beta, I got a call and it It took so much time during the call. And sorry, beta. And wherever we have discussed the sum of first n terms of the first n terms of an AP, beta. Sorry, I am getting confused. Actually, I got a very good call, no? I got a good news. That's why I am a little bit excited. Where were we, beta? We were discussing sum of n terms of the formula, no? We have to do exercise 1.3. Okay. AP we considered as this Sn. Because this is the AP, when we have to take the sum, we have to put the plus in between. See, beta, in the first lecture, in the introductory lecture, I used a term sequence and series. Sequence and series. Series, this becomes series. This is the progression. But we are putting plus or minus sign in between the terms. The sequence becomes series. And what is this? This is also a series. Okay. This is the definition. In different sources, different definitions are, don't worry. Okay, now see. We made this series. Now Sn can be written as 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, both are equal. Then we change the position. We exchange the position of first and the last term and so on. Then what we got, if we add the equations, we will get Sn plus Sn 2Sn. Yes or no? A plus L, A plus L, A plus L, A plus L and so on. Done, beta? Now see, Sn plus Sn 2Sn, and if we add these, A plus L, A plus L, A plus and so on, A plus L is added n times. A plus L is added n times, and that's why we wrote A plus L is equal to n into A plus L. N into A plus L. 2 into Sn is n into A plus L. Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Sn became this. This is the first form of the sum of n terms of an AP. And if we put the value of L, see, beta, what is L? L is the last term. L is the last term of the AP which is having n terms. It means this is An, and it can be written as, L can be written as A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus A and so on, A plus A, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, beta, this is the, you can take the screenshot. Okay, done. Now see, now we will discuss some direct questions, some questions which are directly based on the formulas. Okay, beta. So don't worry. Okay, see. Question number 1, exercise 5.3. This is for class 10, beta. First question, you see, so simple and so easy. Here, beta, but one thing is there, you have to recognize n and an. Some students get confused. What is n or what is an? So don't worry and don't fear when I am here. I will always with you. I will make you understand each and everything. Now see, first question, first part, 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. What does it mean? It means this is the AP where first term is 2, common difference is 5, this minus this. Up to n terms, up to 10 terms. What does it mean? N is 10. And what we have to find? S10. We have to find is S10. Okay, done, beta. As we know, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Now see, this is the formula we have. See, beta, two forms of formula over there. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. And the second one is Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How this form was achieved? By putting the value of L, a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now see, which form is more comfortable? See, by practice, it will automatically set in your mind. Okay, but by practice. As you practice, you makes yourself perfect in such kind of concept. Okay, see, don't worry. Here as an is not given, na? That's why I use the second form. Direct a, d and n. The values of all the variables we have, then we will put here. Okay. S10. N by 2, 10 by 2. 2a is 2. N is 10. D is 5. Yes or no? 2 cancel this. 5. 2 2s are 4. 9 5s are 45. Yes or no? 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 5. Okay. 5 into 4 plus this is 45. 5 into 4 plus 45, 49. The answer is 245. Yes or no? The answer is 245. Got it, beta? The answer is 245. Done? Sure? Now see. Take the screenshot. See, beta. Questions will be same based on the formulas directly. But calculation might be little bit there which can disturb you. But how can you get disturbed? You all are Princians. Okay? Be focused, be attentive. I will sort out all the difficulties. Don't worry. See, second part. You have taken the screenshot. Then second part. Second part statement is, oh sorry, I thought I am teaching in the class and I asked statement is, I have to see by myself. Otherwise the students tell for example, said, sir, this is the AP. Okay, nee, second part. What is given? Minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 and up to 12 terms. Up to 12 terms. Now see beta, what is given here? Here is an AP given. And what kind of AP is this? Increasing or decreasing? See beta, if minus was not there, it was decreasing. But as there is minus, we are getting increasing. Minus 33 on number line in left side and 29 is on right side. That's why minus 29 on right side. That's why we are on increasing. We are here we are having increasing AP, and in increasing AP D is always positive. D is always positive. Here A is minus 37. D is plus 4. This minus this beta. Minus 33 minus minus 37. Whenever is there minus minus, it becomes plus. See, minus 33 minus minus 37. The rule is this minus this. In between put the minus. It will make it minus minus plus. That is plus 4. Yes or no? Done beta? This is plus 4. A is minus 37. D is 4. N is 12. We have to find S12. We have to find S12. Okay? Now see. Sn is equal to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes or no? Done? Put the values. S12, 12 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, beta? Now see. 2 cancel this, 6. 37 2s are minus 74. Plus minus minus. 11 into 4. 12 minus 1, 11. 11 into 4 is 44. Yes or no? Done? 6. Minus plus minus. What is the output? This is minus 180. This is minus 180. Okay, beta? Now see. You can take the screenshot. Done? Question number 1 part 3rd. See beta, all the questions are very simple. All the questions are very simple, directly based on the formula. But what does matter? All thing that matters is your observation, how you observe the question. Okay? See, question number 1 part 3rd. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, up to 100 terms. Up to 100 terms. See, sorry. Here A is 0.6, D is 1.7, A is 0.6, D is 1.7. Oh, sorry, whatever. Actually, I am very happy na, about that news, and my mind is little bit wandering here and there. So, beta, once again, I am saying what I am telling. Always be focused in your work. D will be this minus this. 1 point D will be 1.7 minus 0.6, that is 1.1. Okay, comma. What you have up to n terms, up to 100 terms. N is 100. N is 100. We have to find S 100. Okay. Yes or no? We have to find. Just a minute, beta. हेलो, हाँ कर, आप कर लो उसको, और क्या, तभी आपको, उसको तो मैंने आपका नंबर ही नहीं दिया. ओहो. Now see beta, S100 we have to find. Okay, see. What is Sn? N by 2, 2a, n minus 1 into d. Yes or no? S100. 100 by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Oh, sorry, 1.1 is there, na? 1.1. Done, beta. See, question is very simple. Direct AP is given. AD can be recognized. N is also recognized. You know the formula. Put the value of variables. Find the desirable result. Done. From here, S100 is 2 cancels this 50. 2 into this 1.2. 99 into 1.1. 9.9. 50 into 1.2 plus this. What it will be? What it will be? 10.1? Yes or no? 1, 2 plus. Just a minute, beta. हेलो. हाँ ठीक है, वो तभी तो कह रहा हूँ, उसके पास तो नंबर ही नहीं है आपका. नहीं नहीं, आपको दिया, आपको दिया. मैं बस अभी 15 मिनट में निकल रहा हूँ जी, 15 मिनट में निकल रहा हूँ. मेरा बस ये लेक्चर थोड़ा सा बाकी रह गया. बस ठीक है, मैं 15-20 मिनट में पहुंच रहा हूँ. Sorry beta, again and I am getting calls from my family. There is some reason why they are calling, so do not worry. Now see, 50 into OC, wherever we, this was the AP given, and here AD and all these things were given. SN the values put, and finally we got this. Now see calculation. Actually I am totally diverted. Please you see, check the calculations once again. N by 2, N is 100, 2 into A, okay, plus N minus 1 into D, 1 point, okay, 0.1.2 plus 99 into 1.1, 99, 1.1, okay, 99 into 1.1, that is, here is the mistake I have committed. You got my point? Whenever you are not focused, you can commit a mistake. And here I mistake beta. I was not focused because of the calls I am getting again and again from my family side. This was the fault. And at once I found this fault. At once I found this is the fault here. Okay? So beta, don't worry. Do not get panic. It was natural. 50, 2 into this 1.2 plus. This is 99 into 1.1. Add 11 9 ja 99. 11 9 ja 99 plus 9, 108 by 10, that is 108.9. That is 108.9. Yes or no? 50 into 1.2, 108.9. Okay. Now if you add these 0.2, 0.1, 1 plus 8, 9 and 0, 1, 1. And multiply this will be the answer, and you have to multiply this and you will get the desirable result. Okay beta, take the screenshot. We are going to solve the next question. Question number 1 part 4th. Question number 1 part 4th. See, question number 1 part 4th. 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 and so on. up to 11 terms. Up to 11 terms. Now see beta. First term is 1 by 15. Common difference 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Can I write? This minus this. If you see 60 is LCM here. 5, 4, 1 by 60 is the common difference. N is 11. We have to find S11. We have to find S11. Okay, beta. Now see. S11. N by 2. 2A plus N minus 1 into D is the answer. Done. Now see. N by 2. 2 by 15 plus 10 by 60. 1 by 6. Yes or no? 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 by 60 is 1 by 6. Okay. 11 by 2. Here you take the LCM 90. 15, 6 2s are 12. 15. 11 by 2 into 12 plus 15. 27 by 90. Done beta. 9 3s are 9 10 ja. 33 by 20. You check the calculation beta. I am little bit in hurry. That's why might be there is any calculative mistake. Very little chances. Don't worry. Now my focus is all here. Okay. This is the answer. This is the answer. You will get the value. See beta. Question number 1 part 4th. AP was given. First term we calculated the and then N is 11, S11 is to be found. Put the value in the formula, you will get the result. Okay, beta, take the screenshot. And still, once again, I am getting phones. Again, I am getting phones. So, beta, now I am putting this phone on the silent. Don't worry, we will complete the second sum also. Should I enough? You have taken the screenshot. Now, question number 2. Now see beta, in question number 2, if you observe, many series are given. Series are given. See, here series are given. If you see the question number this. See, question number 2. First I am doing part second to make your calculations understandable. Hello, please don't call me, na. Please don't call me. I am in lecture. Now see beta, second part. Why I am taking second part? To make you the understand concept, because here calculation a little bit easier. In first question, because there is a fractional value, definitely student can be disturbed. That's why I am taking second part first. 34, 32. 30 and up to plus 10. Now see beta, it was the thing I was discussing. Students are confused whether which is N and which is AN. Which is N and which is AN. This is the main funda. Now see beta, here AP is given. A, this is not N. This is the term of the AP. What is given here? First term is 34. D is this minus this, minus 2. See beta, this is A1, A2 and this is AN, last term. We don't know which term is this. First of all, A and D are we were able to guess. Now, last term we don't know, but this is given 10. It is given 10. Okay. First we will found N here. Then we have to find Sn. You got my point beta? In this kind of questions where An is given and N is not given, in such kind of questions we should not get confused what is N or what is An. Where dash 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 up to so much terms is written, there N is given. But here 10 is the term of the AP and we don't know which term. Therefore, first we will find the N and then we will find Sn. Okay, see. And you all know how we can find the N. You all know general term formula. A plus n minus 1d is an. A plus n minus 1d is an. A n minus 1 d is an. See beta, n minus 1 into minus 2. Here is 10 minus 34. We have dealt with such kind of questions in last lecture many times. Minus 24. N minus 1 is equal to, see beta, minus 2 will cut it, plus 12. From here n is 12 plus 1, 13. N is 12 plus 1, 13. Yes or no? Done? N is equal to 13. Now we will find as 13. Okay beta, you got my point. Whenever the series is given there and the last term is mentioned, up to which term is not mentioned here. Here the last term is mentioned. In that case, A, D, A, N. Once you find A, N, then you find, once you find N and then you find Sn. And how we find N? By A, N formula. We have discussed in exercise 5.2. Okay? Now Sn. N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. See beta, all the values I took from here and put here. N is 13 we got from here. N by 2. This is 68. 12 into this minus 24. I am doing these little bit faster beta because I am in hurry, but don't worry, we will complete this question. 64 minus 24 or 68 this is. 30 by 2 into 8 minus 4, 4, 6 minus 2 is 4. Yes or no? My calculations are wrong or right? Don't worry, you will find them right. 13 2s are 26, then 26. This is the answer. Got my point beta? See, questions are very simple, directly based on the same concept. The main funda is beta that we have to recognize whether n is given or an is given. In first question, n was given, directly we were able to find the Sn. But if you see this type of questions, here an is given, here an is given, and we are finding n, then Sn. Okay, done beta? Now see. Now we will do the first question. It will. You have taken the screenshot, I think. Whenever you get time, you take the screenshot beta. Many times I do forget to tell you to take the screenshot, and might be I will rub the board. So beta, please be attentive. Second, first part. Statement is given 7, 10 is to 1 by 2, 14 plus 84. See beta, what you can say, see here. Here the AP is given, first term is given, A is 7, D. See beta, as I have told you in my last lecture, मैं calculations अपनी लैंग्वेज में करता हूँ और ये जो तरीका है ये आपको बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा. मैं क्या बोलूँगा, सिंपल. सी 10.5 में से 7 गया 3.5, सिंपल. मेरी यही लैंग्वेज रहती है, बट इन माई माइंड, नॉट इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल. ओके, सी डी इज दिस minus 3, 3 is to 1 by 2, that is we can write 7 by 2 also. Yes or no? An is 84, here An is 84 and we have to find, then Sn we have to find. Once we will find n, then we will find Sn. Okay, now see here. A plus n minus 1d is equal to an. A is 7, n minus 1, d is 7 by 2, an is 84. Okay beta. N minus 1 into 7 by 2. 7 will move toward there and it will be subtracted from the 84. You will get 77. From here n minus 1 will be equal to 77. It will move toward this. 2 by 7, 11, n minus 1 is 22, From here n is 23. From here you will get n is 23. Okay. Okay beta, just a minute. Hello. अरे यार आप मीना की आप अपनी गली में आ जाओ, फिर मैं फ़ोन करता हूँ उसको 2 मिनट में, बस करता हूँ n is 23 बेटा, n is 23. Now see, we have to find s 23 and it will be n by 2, sorry, put the value directly na, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 and d is 7 by 2. Yes or no beta? See beta, here a was 7, d was 3.5, an was 84. From here we got n, and then by the an formula, by the general term formula, we found n, and then s23. It will be equal to 23 by 2, 14 plus 22 into 7 by 2, 11. 23 by 2, 14 plus 77, yes or no? 23 by 2 into, add these, you will get 91. Product of these by 2, it will be the answer. Okay, done beta. Okay, this will be the answer. Take the screenshot. See students, very frankly, because of some reason I have to leave now, but don't worry, tomorrow, in tomorrow's lecture we will complete all the chapter. Okay, and sorry for the disturbance during the lecture. Don't worry, I will complete all the exercise, each and every single sum I will solve. Okay, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe, good luck.